Welcome to Miss Taylor's class notes. And we're going to do a real quick remember activity from what we did in our last set of notes. So correlation. Give me 1 second. My brain just stopped working. It's one of those mornings. So correlation is the relationship between BETW, two things. Oh, let's put an N in there. Let's spell things right. R is our correlation coefficient. It tells us if the data has a strong, weak, positive, or negative correlation. Causation is cause and effect. And our line of best fit is going to be the line in the middle of the data. And today, our focus is going to be on the line of best fit and creating that line of best fit. So today is going to be another Desmos day. All of the steps that you need are right here, but I'm also going to walk you through it. So again, we said this in our last notes. If we're given a table, X is on top, Y is on the bottom. So we're going to do a table in Desmos. We're going to hit our plus sign. We're going to hit a table, and we're going to start typing in our data. 0, 79, check. 10, 81, 20, 79, 30, 68, 40, 58, 50, 43, 60, 28, 70, 13, and 80, and 1. It's really, really important to make sure that you have all of the exact numbers put in. If you don't, it's going to make things a little bit different and a little bit wrong. So make sure you hit that plus sign so you can zoom in on your data. So remember, we need to write down Y1, approximate or squiggle or tilde, X1, MX1 plus B. So we're going to look at our correlation coefficient yesterday, which is what we talked about yesterday. So our R equals negative 0.9. The number after the 6 is higher, 5 or higher. So we're going to round it to 0.97. So this is a strong negative correlation. So if we keep looking at the box that Desmos popped up, Desmos is going to give us an M or a slope. So again, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. So negative 1.07. And since the number after 7 is a 1, we're going to leave it be. Desmos is also going to give us a y-intercept, which is our B. We're going to round it to the nearest hundredth too. Since the number after 6 is higher than 5, we're going to raise the score to 0.87. So when we write our line of best fit, we always want to write our line in y equals mx plus, plus b. So we have our m, we have our b, so we can write our line of best fit. Y equals negative 1.07x plus 92.87. So we use this line of best fit to help us make predictions. The reason we do linear regression, the reason we do these line of best fits is because we have real world data and we're going to see what predictions we can make so that we can make plans in the future. So what we're going to do is when they ask us to predict is we're going to type in our line of best fit. Y equals negative 1.07x plus 92.87. Then we're going to hit our settings wheel, and we're going to find our equation, and we're going to press our table button. And then we're going to type in the number they give us. So we're going to type in 23. So the temperature, if the latitude was 23, should be about 68 degrees Fahrenheit. And so that's really the important thing of this linear regression or these lines of best fit, is we can make accurate predictions based on the data we have. And the more data we have, the easier it is to make accurate predictions, especially when you're running a business or things like that. So we've got a new table that we need to put in and start over. So again, I want you to put in your information. I want you to pause the video. I want you to put your information in Desmos, follow the steps, and I want you to get your line of best fit. So pause the video now. All right, your slope should be 11.63. Your B should be a negative 420.55, which should make our line of best fit y equals 11.63x minus 420.55. Our correlation coefficient, or our R, should be 0.90, which is a strong positive correlation. So now we need to pull out Desmos, type in our line of best fit, y equals 11.63x minus 420.55. And we need to predict the number of customers if the temperature is 90 degrees. So we hit settings, we hit our table, and we type in 90. So if it was 90 degrees, there would probably be about 626 customers. If it's people, we always round to the nearest person. We don't put decimals when we talk about people. If it was 55 degrees, we're going to type in 55. It would be about 219 customers. All right, I want you to do this last one on your own, and I want you to check with your completed class notes.